How to import contacts to SendGrid. So first, of course, is log into your account, then navigate to the marketing section here on the left side, then click on it. Then you will see the option of contacts right there. So just simply click on it to open it up, then wait for it to load. Once it's all loaded up, you'll be brought right here. And as you can see here on the top right, you have the option to add your contacts. So if I click on it, you could either upload your contacts or import your contacts by uploading it using a CSV or by manually adding it right there. So let's try to click on upload CSV right here. So this is what it will look like. So you will just simply need to drag and drop your CSV file right there. And you have the option to add contacts and include an existing list, or add contacts to a new list. So just make sure that your CSV file is properly formatted with columns for the email address, the first name, the last name, and other relevant information. Because after you have uploaded it, you will need to map the fields. So make sure that everything is organized. And after that, you will just simply need to add it right there. And for the manual add section, so you also have the three options right here. Then here is where you will input the details of the contact. So to create a contact, you must add at least one identifier, which is the email, phone number ID, external ID, and anonymous ID right there. And once you have added all of the important stuff, you simply tap or click on add contacts right there, and it will automatically be added. And that is how you basically import contacts to SendGrid.